Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload a PDF to PandaDoc. Alright, so first up, just go and log into your PandaDoc account. Now once you're in here in the dashboard, just go ahead over to the top left and click on Create New. Okay, wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, the supported files are PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, JPEG, and PNG. Okay, you can just easily click on this green button that says Select File. Click on it. Now go ahead and find the PDF file that you wanted to upload for editing and later on send it for signing. Okay, for example, this one. Just click on it and make sure that it is highlighted and hit on Open. Wait for the process to finish. Okay, it says here processing. Just wait for it. And once done, it will load up the PandaDoc editor. Right here, you can just easily add in some fields like text field, signature, like so, and some more content. Okay, that is it. That's how you upload a PDF here to PandaDoc. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.